Man Coffee. I want to welcome you back to my channel. Now this is going to be part 2 of repairs to the RV from the damage that was caused by someone hitting my dolly and driving it into the RV. If you haven't seen the original video, the damage to the RV, check out this one right here. There'll be a link at the end of this video for that one. Also, part 1 of the repairs right here, okay? And a link at the end of this video for that one also. Or check them both out on my homepage. But this is part 2. So I hope you'll enjoy it. Here we go. Well, the wind is kicking up pretty good down here in Laughlin, Nevada. And I just completed gluing the underside of this door back to the door itself. Used contact cement and used a lot of it. So got these C-clamps on here and it's drying up pretty good. My next project is to work on this area down here and grind out, take those bolts out, make sure that everything is held together well, do some grinding on that, and then finish that off. That's the next project. Okay, well, I took the screws out and sanded that area down, and I'm actually leaving these 2 screws in, that one up there and that one down there. I'm gonna leave those screws in. No sense in taking them out. They're not gonna be in the way of anything. And I'm gonna Bondo that area now to smooth it out, and then sand it down again and go through the process of finishing it off up to primer. Okay, well, the area is all sanded and primed. Now I just need to put some glazing putty on that, and I'll be putting that on with a sharp putty knife, and it won't take very much, but it will take some. And then I'll have to 600 grit all of that area and then eventually paint it. When it cools down a little bit, maybe early in the morning or late at night, I'll paint that. So that's the area with some glazing putty on it, and it usually takes, for me anyway, 3 or 4 applications of glazing putty, sanding, until I get it just the way I want it before I put the paint on it. And it's going to be painted black, so it's got to be smooth and looking good. So I'll wait for this to dry, sand it, and I'll continue that until I'm ready to paint it. So I painted that area this morning when the wind wasn't blowing, and there's no clear coat on that yet, so I have to get some clear coat in, and it needs to be feathered and buffed out, so it's not completely done yet, but that's pretty much what it's going to look like when it's completed. Might be a little shinier, but that's about it. Well, it's not a professional job, but it'll get the job done. It won't look so bad. When you're looking at the whole RV, I mean, it's just a small little area. And once it's buffed out and all kind of blended in and some clear coat put on it, I think it'll look pretty good. Well, like my dad used to say, it's good enough for the girls we go with. So stay tuned to the channel for the video of Trooper Thursday. I think you're going to like that one. Flopped quad 8s, but look forward to it coming in the next couple of days. I've been editing it, and sorry it's been taking me so long. But I've got these repairs to do. The next repair you're going to see, the final repair, will be putting the fenders and the wiring and the lights and everything for the dolly. That'll be completed. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And subscribe. Tell your friends about it. And leave a comment. I'll do the best I can to answer all the comments. So until next time, this will be Old Man Coffee saying, dream until your dreams come true.